Ever wondered how your cells move important stuff against the flow? That's where active transport comes in. In biology, some molecules move easily from high to low concentration. That's called passive transport. But when they go from low to high concentration, that's harder. And it needs energy. That's what we call active transport. One important example is the sodium-potassium pump. It moves 3 sodium ions out of the cell and brings 2 potassium ions in. This keeps the balance inside your cells just right, especially for nerve and muscle function. Active transport isn't just for fun, it's essential. It helps your cells absorb nutrients, remove waste, and even send nerve signals. Without it, your body wouldn't work the way it should.
Next, bulk transport that have 2 types, endocytosis and exocytosis. But what happens when the thing the cell needs is just too big to fit through those pumps or protein channels? In that case, the cell uses endocytosis. Endocytosis is how a cell brings things into itself. The membrane folds around materials outside the cell, wraps them up, and forms a bubble or vesicle that moves inside. One special type of endocytosis is called phagocytosis. That means cell eating. The cell surrounds big things like bacteria or debris, traps them in a vesicle, and digests them. White blood cells do this all the time to fight germs. Another type is pinocytosis, or cell drinking. This happens when the cell takes in tiny drops of liquid with dissolved nutrients. It's like the cell is sipping a smoothie through a straw. Now, how does a cell get rid of things or send materials out? That's called exocytosis. A vesicle inside the cell moves to the membrane, fuses with it, and releases its contents, like hormones, enzymes, or waste, outside the cell. Let's recap. Remember, active transport moves molecules against the gradient using energy and special proteins. Endocytosis brings materials into the cell. Phagocytosis is cell eating, large particles. Pinocytosis is cell drinking, fluid and nutrients. Exocytosis sends things out of the cell, and all of them use vesicles to get the job done. Tiny bubbles, big jobs. Now that's cell power in action. Thanks for watching. Press the like and subscribe button to get more video like this.